Good morning everyone. Welcome to the science class. In our previous class we had discussed and learned different types of plants that grow on land. In this class we will learn about different types of plants that grow in water. So children, open your science book lesson 2 different plants at page number 7. Now let us discuss this term water plants. Plants that grow in water, for example lotus, seaweed, hydrilla, etc. Now let's start with reading. Water plants. Children, as you know, water plants are plants that grow in water. These are plants which grow in water. They grow in seas, rivers, lakes or ponds. Children, underline word seas and write down its meaning, a large water body. Children, do you know water plants are also known as aquatic plants? Now what are aquatic plants? Plants that grow in water. For example, in seas, in river, in lakes or in ponds. Now let us learn more about water plants. The first plant here given is the lotus plant. The leaves of the lotus float on water. Children, underline word float and write down its meaning, move. Children, the lotus has its roots completely in the mud, but the leaves and flower floats on water. Lotus is our national flower, and do you know lotus flower opens in the morning and petals fall in the afternoon. Now the next plant is seaweed. This is one of the many kinds of seaweed growing in the seas. Children, seaweed is a water plant. It needs sunlight to survive. So they grow at the sides of the oceans or seas. It is possible to grow seaweed at home in large aquarium using salty water. Now the next water plant is hydrilla. The hydrilla grows totally underwater. Children, as you can see in this picture given on your book, hydrilla grows totally under water. It is a fast growing plant. Its length is 7 meters. And almost all the parts of hydrilla are used to make medicine, food or powder, etc. Now children, open page number 8 and let's start reading of this page. All plants die after some time. Trees live for many years. Many shrubs and herbs also live long. Some may live for more than 100 years. Children, we can categorize plant into different categories like plants that live for 1 year or less than 1 year, plants that live for 2 or 3 years, and plants that live for many years. For example, this is a rice plant. It lives for 3 to 4 months. This is rose plant and it lives for 5 to 7 years. This is banyan tree. It lives for 200 to 300 years. This is peepal tree and it lives for 2000 to 3000 years. It means it lives for many years. Some plants live only for a few months. Plants like the pea, maize and sunflower live for a few months. They have to be planted again and again. Children, peas, maize and sunflower are seasonal plants. We grow these plants again and again because they die after few months. Dear children, look at the picture of sunflower given in your book. How a sunflower plant grows and dies. The seeds are collected and planted again. Children, sunflower blooms during the summer season and dies after few months. A sunflower contains many seeds. The seeds are collected and planted again to grow new plants. Now children, in this chapter we have learned different types of plants, and now you know that trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and cactuses are land plants. Some plants grow in water. Some plants live for a long time. Some have a short life. Now children, let us discuss these questions. What are water plants? Plants that grow in water are called water plants. Name some water plants. Lotus, hydrilla, seaweed. Now children, in this chapter we have learned about different types of plants. Read and revise word meanings, cross questions and terms of this chapter. Thank you.